Hey, everybody, International Carl doing another video for you here. This time, I know all you guys know about this, but this one just blew my mind is how do you make a proper cupper? A proper cup of tea. So my buddy here, AK, making me some tea. So he goes and says this, and I'm curious what happens with you guys out there. What do you do? How do you make your tea? Because I'm like, yeah, I take some tea. I like tea. I've lived here a long time, so I'm used to having British tea, stuff like that. And he goes, well, do you have it with milk? Do you have a lot? Do you have a little? I'm like, nah, yeah, just a little bit of milk. Then he's like, well, sugar. Some sugar, a little bit of sugar, a lot of sugar. Do you leave the tea bag in? Do you leave the tea bag out? I don't know. I mean, I'm over here getting confused. He's asking me, how do I want some tea? I'm like, mate, just make some tea. I'm going to drink it. I'm going to enjoy it. But for the life of me, I can't understand how many different ways you can make tea. So tell me your recipes. Tell me how you have your tea. What is the proper way to have a proper cup of tea? Is the tea ready, mate?
There you go.
All right, let's see. Bag is in. So just for all you guys who wanted to know, I like the bag in, little bit of milk, no sugar. So when I first moved to the UK, I used to have lots of sugar because in the US, we drink sweet tea. So I was so used to having sweet tea, but I've learned not to like sweet tea too much or have sugar in my tea. I just like it with a little bit of milk and leave the tea bag in to let it go. So I'm curious what you think. This is a quick video, and I'm gonna leave you with that one. So thank you. I know I said I was getting ready to go, but the question I got for you is, before I head this one out, so it's a retake, is what do you have with your tea? Do you have it breakfast, lunch, dinner? Do you have it at tea time? I do know what that's all about. Click here to watch another one of my videos where I talk about words you need to know if you're gonna live in the UK. Tea time being one of those words. I know what that means. But seriously, tell me what you have with your tea, when to have it, how do you make it, and what age should you start drinking tea? Because not forget, in the US, we started a whole revolution over tea. We threw all the British tea in the harbor in Boston, Massachusetts back in, I don't know, 1873. I'm just making up a year, but no, 1773, we threw it in the harbor, something crazy like that when the revolution happened. But tell me, I'm dying to know. And with that, seriously, this time I'm out. Peace. And hit me in the comments because you know I'm always in the comments. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.